जो हुआ उसे भूल जाओ और आगे बढ़ो। Forget what happened and move on. Forget what happened and move on. मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की थी। I had done my best. I had done my best. तुम हमेशा मुझे गलत समझते हो। You always misunderstand me. You always misunderstand me. ये फैसला सोच समझ कर लिया गया है। This decision has been taken thoughtfully. This decision has been taken thoughtfully. अब समय बर्बाद करने का वक्त नहीं है। There is no time to waste now. There is no time to waste now. हमें एक दूसरे की भावनाओं की कदर करनी चाहिए। We must respect each other's feelings. We must respect each other's feelings. मैंने कई बार माफ किया है, लेकिन अब और नहीं। I have forgiven many times, but not anymore. I have forgiven many times, but not anymore. वो जो बोलता है करता नहीं है। He doesn't practice what he preaches. He doesn't practice what he preaches. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत थी, लेकिन तुम नहीं थे। I needed your help, but you weren't there. I needed your help, but you weren't there. क्या तुम मुझे थोड़ा समय दे सकते हो? Can you give me a little time? Can you give me a little time? वो बहस करने में बहुत तेज है। He is very sharp at arguing. He is very sharp at arguing. अब सब कुछ साफ साफ समझ आ रहा है। Now everything is crystal clear. Now everything is crystal clear. हमेशा सच्चाई का साथ दो, चाहे हालात कैसे भी हों। Always stand by the truth, no matter the situation. Always stand by the truth, no matter the situation. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि किसी को तकलीफ न पहुँचे। I try not to hurt anyone. I try not to hurt anyone.